Good morning, students. Today we will be continuing the chapter tenses. This will be the end of that chapter. We will have completed all the topics of that chapter in this video. Today we will be learning how to make negative sentences and interrogative sentences. Negative sentence means in which we use no or not. A sentence in which we use no or not. Interrogative sentences mean the questions. So here first, how to make a negative sentence from an assertive sentence. To make a negative sentence. When a sentence has a helping verb and a main verb, then we write not, N-O-T, not, after the helping verb. Okay, the sentence has a main verb and a helping verb, and after the helping verb, we write not. One example I have given here. I shall write a letter. In this sentence, shall is the helping verb. Write is the main verb. To make it into negative, I write not after shall. So it will become I shall not write a letter. If in the sentence we have two helping verbs and a main verb. In the previous point, there was only one helping verb. But here, if you have two helping verbs, then in that case, write not, N-O-T, not, after the first helping verb. Here is an example. I shall have written a letter. Here, shall is the first helping verb. Have is the second helping verb. Written is the main verb. So to make it a negative sentence, we write not after the first helping verb. That is after shall. So the negative sentence will be I shall not have written a letter. These are some examples. This photo is from your textbook, your English grammar textbook. There, in this photo, there are many sentences and how they are changed into negative sentence. It is given here. You can see them. Similarly, if we have to change passive voice into a negative sentence, an assertive passive voice sentence into a negative passive voice sentence, we follow the same rules. For example, here, a letter has been written by me. This sentence is in passive voice. To make it negative, I will write not after the helping verb. Okay? So here, which is the helping verb? Has been. Has and been are two helping verbs. Written is the main verb. So after the first helping verb, I will write not. A letter has not been written by me. Next example. The car is driven by the driver. It is also in passive voice. Here is the helping verb. Driven is the main verb. Here we have only one helping verb. So we write not after the helping verb. So the negative sentence will be, the car is not driven by the driver. Next is to change an assertive sentence into an interrogative sentence. For that, what we do? we see if that the sentence has a helping verb or not, and if a helping verb is there, we write the helping verb before the subject. Let us take an example. I have written a letter. In this sentence, I is the subject, have is the helping verb. So when we change into interrogative, we will write helping verb before the subject. So first we write have, and after have we write I. Have I written a letter? It is simple only. Write the helping verb first, and after the helping verb write the subject. Now, if there are two helping verbs in the sentence, what do we do? In that case, we write the first helping verb before the subject, then write the subject, and after the subject, we write the second helping verb. Simple only. First helping verb, subject, second helping verb. Here is the one example. I have been writing a letter. In this sentence, the subject is I. Have is the first helping verb. Been is the second helping verb. Now, to make it into interrogative sentence, I write the helping verb 1 at the start. So, have. Then after that, I write the subject. The subject is I. So, have I. Then after the subject, write the second helping verb. The second helping verb is been. So, the interrogative sentence will be, have I been writing a letter? In passive voice also, to make an interrogative sentence, we follow the same rules. Here is an example. A letter has been written by me. In this sentence, a letter is the subject, has is the first helping verb, been is the second helping verb. To make the interrogative sentence, first I write the first helping verb, has. Then I write the subject, a letter, and then I write the second helping verb. So the interrogative sentence will be, has a letter been written by me? Here is one more example of passive voice. The sentence is, a car is driven by me. The subject is a car. The helping verb is. To change into interrogative, first I write the helping verb is. Then after the helping verb, I write the subject, a car. Then the interrogative sentence will be, is a car driven by me? Now continuing about negative sentences again. If a sentence doesn't have a helping verb, the sentence only has main verb, then how do we make a negative sentence? In that case, we have to put a helping verb first. For example, here the sentence is, I know. In this sentence, there is a subject, I. There is a main verb, know. This sentence doesn't have any helping verb. So to make negative sentence, first we have to put a helping verb here. The helping verb we write from do, does or did. Either we use do or does or did. Do is used with plural nouns or I. Does is used with singular nouns. Do and does are used in the present tense. Did is used with singular and plural in the past tense. So, I know. To make it negative, after the subject, I write do. I do. Then after do, I write no. I do not know. Now, in case in the sentence, the helping verb acts as the main verb. Here is a sentence, I have a pen. In this sentence, there is no action that is done. So, it doesn't have a main verb. But the helping verb will act as the main verb here. I have. I is the subject. Have is the helping verb. But it will act as the main verb in this sentence because no action is being done. So to change into negative, I write do after the subject, and after writing do, I write not. So the negative will be I do not have a pen. Then, how to make an interrogative sentence if the sentence has the helping verb acting as the main verb, or there is only main verb in the sentence? Quite simple. Let us see the example. I have a pen. Have is the main verb. To make it into interrogative, before the subject, we have to write a helping verb. So, we will use the helping verb do here. So, before I, write do. Do I have a pen? Here we will end the video. This is the end of the 17th chapter of your English First. And with this, we have completed the first term syllabus. Now only your composition part, that is essay writing and letter writing, is remaining. So we will continue afterwards.